Is your Tesla app's live camera feed not working? Don't worry, you're not alone. This video will guide you through the most common fixes for Sentry Mode connectivity problems. We'll cover everything from basic app permissions to advanced connectivity solutions, ensuring you can monitor your Tesla remotely without interruption. Let's dive in. The first step is to verify that the Tesla app has all the necessary permissions on your smartphone. This includes camera, microphone, location, and storage access. Without these, the live camera feature simply won't function. On iOS, go to Settings, then Tesla App, then Permissions. Ensure all permissions are toggled on. On Android, find the app in your settings and ensure all permissions are toggled on. This is a common oversight after app updates. Often, the easiest fixes are the most effective. First, force close the Tesla app and restart it. This simple step can resolve temporary glitches affecting live camera functionality. Second, check if there's an update available in the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices. Tesla frequently releases updates to address bugs and improve performance, including Sentry Mode reliability. Regular app updates prevent a large percentage of Sentry issues by keeping the software current and optimized. Before digging deeper, check Tesla's service status online. Occasional server-side glitches can disrupt live streams. If services are operational, try restarting your Tesla via the touchscreen. Controls, safety and security, power off. This can resolve connectivity issues on the vehicle side. Account verification and proper vehicle linking are essential for accessing Tesla's live camera features. Your vehicle must be securely connected to your Tesla account to enable remote streaming and security functions like Sentry Mode. First, verify that your vehicle is properly linked to your account in the Tesla app. Open the app and check the vehicle list to ensure your car appears and is connected. If linking appears correct, but camera access fails, try logging out and back into the app. This refreshes your account credentials and often resolves verification issues. Navigate to App Settings, select Log Out, then log back in with your credentials. If the issue persists after logging out and back in, remove the vehicle from your account and re-add it. In the app, go to Vehicle Settings, select Remove Vehicle, then follow prompts to add it again. This forces a complete relinking process. After completing these steps, test the live camera feature. If problems continue, contact Tesla support or check service status. Proper account linking ensures reliable access to all app features. For persistent Tesla app connectivity issues that other fixes haven't resolved, consider resetting your phone's network settings. On rare occasions, corrupted network configurations can interfere with the app's ability to stream live camera feeds. This reset clears saved Wi-Fi networks, cellular data settings, and VPN configurations, often restoring proper connectivity without affecting other app data. If you're in a rural area with unreliable cellular service, a mobile hotspot can provide the stable internet connection needed for Tesla's live camera streaming. Services like Starlink use satellite technology to deliver high-speed connectivity, with coverage expanding across the United States. This ensures your Tesla app maintains a consistent connection for monitoring Sentry Mode, even in remote locations. If all else fails, contact Tesla support for firmware diagnostics. They can identify and resolve more complex issues. Looking ahead, expect Tesla to enhance Sentry Mode with AI-driven threat detection, reducing false positives by 30%. By 2026, offline playback capabilities will allow limited Sentry playback without internet, using vehicle-side storage. Improved battery efficiency aims to halve Sentry's power draw using edge computing. Future integration with smart home devices like Alexa and Google Home is also on the horizon. Stay tuned for updates.